Yeah, I'm Mostafa Isa. I'm senior mechanical engineer in SCS team, Skanka Costain Strabag joint venture, and I'm looking after TBM associated equipment in area west in West Roslyn. We have here two water treatment plants from HK separations. First one for TBMs, dewatering water, about 144 cubic meter per hour, and the other one for 20 cross passage, about 234 cubic meter per hour, to treat all this dewatering water and recycle it again. Current crack separation play essential role in mining process, and they provide us with two water treatment plants, one for TBMs, about 144 cubic meter per hour, and the other one for 20 cross passage, about 234 cubic meter per hour, to treat all this water to recycle. Our goals for the water treatment plant is to provide the water, important water for the TBM to keep mining and to treat all the water coming from the TBM. We have two TBMs. They use about between 50 to 60 cubic meter per hour, which means need a big source for fresh water to keep mining. And the other thing, we have a lot of water coming from the watering system, so we need to treat this water. We can't get rid of this water because this water is not under the permission for environmental to discharge on the sewer or river. You have to treat this water first, and we have to use this water again to the TBM. So it's close the cycle, use this water instead of get rid of this water in sewage or river, use the water again to keep mining. Our goal in H2 to reduce all consumption we need and recycle all our material, not to only to get new water and discharge the dewatering water. No, we need to recycle to decrease the consumption and to reduce our waste. Yeah, the WTB primary function is to make the wastewater in good condition to be able to use again. And you have this dewatering water is coming with high level or low level for pH, with high level of turbidity, conductivity is not in the suitable place, and the other we have chromium 6, we have aluminum. All these parameters you can't use the water with all these things. You have to put all this in the limits to use this water again or to discharge the water. So the water treatment plant help us to make all this process. They reduce the pH, get it in suitable pH we need, suitable numbers we need to use the water again. We get the dewatering water with the high pH about 11, 12, and we have to reduce this pH to between 6 to 8. We get high turbidity between 15 gram, we have to reduce to 50 microgram. And we have chrome 6 in water, we have to reduce this in chrome 3. All this we can do without water treatment plant. And with these parameters, we can use the water again. So we have to treat this water to be able to use under environmental permits. We have to use under these conditions only. The most challenge we face here on the project is to perform the target for the project. To mine, we have two TBMs, which you need to mining 24 hours, 7 days per week. And to do this, we have to keep all the water, needed water for foam system, for mining, for soil treatment. All this water, it's about, as I said, it's 50 cube per hour. And we can't get this water only from main water. You have to find other sources, which we can do with water treatment plant. So we take all the recycled water or the dewatering water. You don't need to send it outside. You don't need to discharge this water. You have to recycle all this water again, and water treatment plant helps us to provide all this water. To ensure this quality of water, we have measurement device for everything. We have pH meter, we have turbidity devices, we have conductivity devices, we have thermometers. With all these devices, we take samples for water in each process. Starting from the dewatering water, we check all these parameters, and after when we go through the process, before discharging this water or recycle the water, we measure all these things again If it's in the same, it's in good condition, we use the water. If no, we treat the water again. So all the process is automatic. We don't have to take samples and measure our surface. We have automatic system. We have in each tank we have this measurement devices, and all the process done automatically. For me, it's all the project need to use water treatment plants because you have two things. You have this provide two things. It's help you for dewatering water to recycle again. If no, you have to find place to discharge all this water, which it's harmful for the environment, for anything, and to source for fresh water to keep the process for mining. And I recommend this for any other project, especially in our countries, in Cairo, in Egypt. We use this water treatment plants, which we have rear of water, so we use this to keep the process. We have other system in place to take this measurement. Instead of this sensors, which we are calibrated this sensor and monitoring all the time, we take a couple of samples a week to external laboratory, which give us every week water analysis, and we can compare this without our sensors, which to see if we are in the main process or the good process or what. WTB is main important for mining process. It's like a ring on a chain. You can't mine without WTB, or you can mine but you can't achieve the target because you need a lot of water to keep mining, and you have to get rid of the watering water, and you can do this without WTB. Surface for herring cracks reparation is very helpful. For me, it's easy to buy a plant, but the most important, the deal is to get surface after buying the plant. For herring crack separation, it's always on time. You get spare parts in place, you get technical supporters. For any issue during operation, you get strong support from HK separation. It's always on time. My experience during this assembly is very helpful because you have everything in module. You don't need to, it's not coming in pieces, and after you build, you waste a lot of time, a lot of equipment, a lot of labor to do this. It's only come like modules, containers, you put everything in place, piping all the measurement in place, you only make the connection to reduce the time, reduce the manpower, reduce everything. You can get it in 3-4 days at place. For HK connected system, this my first time to use this, and it's very helpful because you can manage the plant, you can see everything on the plant. On your computer, you don't have to be here. You can see at home. You can see any place, and you have a good program for maintenance. You can only follow the points on the HK Connect. You can know all about your spare parts or the history, maintenance history, all the parameters from day one for the process. You can know on this day how much you treat the water, how much water you treated, how much chemicals you used in this day. You can have good history instead of paperwork or instead of Excel sheets. It's very helpful for HK Connect.